it recording? It does. It's recording, right? Check this out. The cement factory burned down, blew up. Wait, you have to wait a sec. This is Dubai anyway. What? Oh shit! Oh my god! No, that's where it comes from. These things only ever happen in Dubai, I'm telling you. It's quite a good camera. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Check this out. It's like, it's supposed to be blue skies like over there.
Yeah.
But I can't see blue skies. Blue skies like over there. That's really pretty. How do you zoom in? Really pretty.
Do avoid that area today. It's not looking good. Police have closed most of the roads in qouz as well and are directing people out of that area. And also in Dubai, there was a 6-car accident in the underpass at Trade Center coming in from Sharjah, so that's causing some delays there as well. The Dubai bypass road is very slow this morning due to an accident. And